What is up everyone, it's Hamdan on the channel, and today I'm going to be unboxing the Oraimo Watch Nova V. Wow, that's an interesting name. I don't actually know where Oraimo has gotten that name from, and that's not also our business today. So we are just coming to unbox this watch I'm having over here. So let's do it straight away. Stick and stay with me. Today I won't be using a cutter. My cutter is on break. I'll just be using a normal blade to take off the outer rubber covering the whole box. So let's do it straight away. We are almost there. Let me now take off the rubber. Yeah, this is it. And let's see what's inside the box. But then it's very hard to remove the outer part of the box so that we can have a look at the inside. Oh, but you know me, now I will definitely find a way to remove it, so don't worry. Now we are almost there. Let's take it out smoothly. Damn! Oh, but don't worry, the body is actually rugged, so nothing is actually going to happen to the screen. In terms of durability, this watch is actually strong. This is the first thing I've gotten from the box, and let's have a look inside. They've written on it, discover endless possibilities and keep exploring. On seeing this, wow, let's have a look. Maybe it might be a gift card or something, an Oraimo gift card or something. It's just a user manual for you to have a knowledge about how you can operate this watch and how you can also take good care of it. And this is the actual watch. Let me take this thing off. This is a knob, and I think the other side is a button. Yeah, it's a button. The knob too is actually a button. You can use it to press, or you can use it to switch between apps. And the watch is having rubber straps. But one thing I like about this watch is you can actually change the watch straps. So just go online and get some new straps in case you don't like the rubber straps. So now let's go into the box again. I think this is going to be a charger. Yeah, let's remove it. Yeah, it's actually a charger, but then this is my first time seeing a charger like this, and the quality of the charger is actually insane. Like, it's very durable. The material they've used is actually premium quality. So let's go ahead and see how we can attach this charger to the watch. But before we attach it, we need to remove all these things. Okay, and then let's see. Okay, let me attach it now. Oh boy, nah. Yeah, this is the right place. The first place, that wasn't the right place. And the strap is actually very good. Like, when you attach it to the watch, you can literally hold it. Like, you can feel the magnets whenever it gets closer to the charging port. It's just very good. These are the only two buttons you have on the watch, the power button and then the sport button. But the power button is a knob. You can either use it as a button, or you can decide to turn it on one side or the other as a means of switching between apps. So after powering on the watch, this is the interface you get. It's just a QR code, and you need to download the Oraimo Health app. So this Oraimo Health app is what you will be using to connect to this watch. Without it, you can't do anything with the watch, like at the moment. So the Oraimo Watch app is just going to take all the informations from the watch, and then it will display them on the app, and you get to see whatever that is happening. After using the watch for a week, I'll try my best to do a full review. And this is the language. In case you are not using English, you can change it to your preferable language. And yeah, the scrolling is actually smooth. The display is actually amazing. It's a 60 Hz display, so it's actually good. That's a full view of the whole thing. I guess nothing is inside the box again. Yeah, we are done. Thanks for watching. Catch you guys in the next video. Peace. Away, boss.